Hi everyone, my name is Tony. In this video, I want to show you how to open my Ether wallet, Ethereum wallet. You will be needing it for two things. Number one, in case you want to buy some tokens that are developed on the Ethereum wallet like EOS, like Tron, like VeChain, Icon, you can actually buy these tokens and send to my Ether wallet directly. Or you have participated in some security tokens like Envion, LH Crypto, or Storica, and some other coins, ICOs that requires you to have ERC20 compliant token. You'll be needing your Ether wallet for these two purposes. So first, you just go to your browser, you type in myetherwallet.com. myetherwallet.com, this is the address. So you can take your time to go through this, but I will not be discussing about this today. So I will just go straight, new wallet. New wallet, you enter your password. You enter your password, you click on create. This is just a demonstration. This is just a demonstration wallet. Create wallet. The first thing you need to do, you need to save your key store file. This key store file contains your public and private key, which is very, very important. Your public key, which is like an address, your account address, will enable you to receive tokens or your Ether from anybody that is sending Ether to you, while your private key will give you access, will enable you to do transactions on your account, like send and receiving. So basically, it's very, very important that you download this key store file. So I'll be downloading this right now. So it's downloaded. You can see it's very important for you to keep it in a very, very safe place. Or you can email it to yourself. I don't know how secure your email is. You can email it to yourself because you'll be needing it as an option to enter into your account. Then you go to I understand. Understand, continue. You'll be required to print out a paper wallet. This paper wallet contains this is the private key to this account. So once I click print, it's very important for you to do this. So I'll be printing it, but I will not be printing it right now. I'll be saving it in PDF file. Save, and I'll put it on my desktop. Ether detail. Ether, you can save it as Ether wallet details. Very, very important. This has to do with your phone. You don't be careless and complacent about it. So you need to save it in a very, very safe place. So I've saved that. I'm going to close this. So I go back, then I click on save your address. Save. Now it will ask now, unlock your wallet to see your address. How would you like to access your wallet? Is it through MetaMask? I'm going to talk about MetaMask later in another video. I'll be using my key store. So this is my key store. Let me transfer it to my desktop. I'm saving this my key store on my desktop for the purpose of this training. You need to save it in a very, very good place. So I want to access through my key store. I click on key store. If you want to access it through your private key, you click on private key. Now select file. You click on select file where I put it on desktop. UTC. So here it is. I upload it. To ask me for password. I put in the password. Then I click on log. So wallet successfully decrypted. So I scroll down. This is my Ethereum. This is my wallet address. If you check my Ether details that are saved on desktop, it should be the same. So it's the same. This is your address. So this is your Ether. This is your balance. And you can come here and see show all tokens. You see various tokens that have been developed on the Ethereum blockchain. So these can be converted, can be exchanged to Ether. I will discuss this in another video. So with this, can you send and receive Ether I'm not sure. The only medium with which you can do that is when you log in through your private key. When you click private key, it asks you for a private key. You come into your Ether, this, you copy this is your private key. It's very, very important. It's the key and security. It's the security to your account. You need to keep it very safe. Then I copy this, copy. I come to my Ether wallet, I paste it here. Unlock. This will give wallet successfully decrypted. So this is your address. You can see your private your tokens there. In another video, I'll be explaining in details how to locate your tokens and how to send from your Ether wallet to a various exchange where those tokens are being exchanged. So I hope you've been able to learn one or two things from this video. Thank you.